Hey guys, it is Zachariah back on the video, and today I am thanking all of you for getting me past 1,900 subscribers. As you can see right here, 1,956. If you believe me, I bet you should pause this video, go down in the comments and tell me, because it's not true. I don't, because let me reload the page. It now says I have oh, there it goes. Okay. So now it says at 32. But today I'm going to show you how you can do that. So what you do is you scroll onto 32 and left click it, and then down at the bottom it says inspect elements, not elements, elements. Wait for it to pop up. As you can see down here, right down here is stuff, and then wait for it to change. Now, as you can see right here, it says 32 subscribers. Double click, double right click on that, and then just change the 32 to a whatever number you want, and pretend you want to have more than PewDiePie. 6. That's not even a number. Oh my god, look at that. I have more subscribers than PewDiePie. So yeah, I'm bored, so I decided to do that, but leave a like. Yeah, that's it.